Looking to add a splash of color and style to your bathroom? The Creative Bath Polyester Shower Curtain offers a simple yet stunning way to refresh your space. With its vibrant design and versatile palette, it's perfect for anyone wanting to brighten up their bathroom effortlessly. I recently picked up this shower curtain for a second bathroom that felt dull and uninspired. The moment I unpacked it, I was genuinely surprised by how vivid and lively the colors were. So much so, I moved it to my master bath instead. What makes this curtain stand out is its rich blend of colors, practically every shade you could want. That means pairing bath rugs or mats becomes a breeze, letting you switch up your bathroom's look anytime you want without replacing the entire setup. What really makes this shower curtain a winner is its ability to transform the entire room. My bathroom tile perfectly matches the curtain's tile pattern, creating a cohesive, stylish vibe that feels like stepping into a Parisian retreat every time I enter. It's not just about looks, either. Crafted from durable polyester, this curtain is designed to last and handle daily use without losing its charm. If you're ready to elevate your bathroom's style with ease, this shower curtain is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to make a colorful change that truly matters.